Niamh here in Tully Nurseries and welcome to this week's YouTube video. I had the absolute pleasure of being on Dublin South FM community radio station in Dublin this week, talking all things Tully Nurseries and Hebe Mint Chocolate. Have a listen to the podcast below in the email. Here I am standing in Tunnel 2, and it's where we grow all our lavenders. As you know, we're the biggest lavender growers in the country, both English and French. Over there to your left you can see lots more new lavenders that are freshly potted, and in front of them there you have more patio plants and some nice dahlias in our 3 litres. And then if you go around to your right, you can see our new Bella Bloom patio pot with icons this year, with all the Trixies and lots of bedding plants coming. Hopefully they'll be ready for the May weekend, that's the plan. And I don't know, can you see behind me then the beautiful colours of the heucheras, which have just been added to this week's list. So I think we've about 30 to 40 plants in this week's list, including the Delphinium Aurora, which I will be promoting in the next week or so. So lots of colour for the Easter, loads of French lavender, lilac wings and tiara just about to flower, lots of English varieties as well. And don't forget about Hebe Mint Chocolate. I will be sending you some images for those of you who want to promote it on your Facebook page. Have a great weekend.